morning everyone, Mr. Starling here again with our golden ticket assembly for the week ending the 14th of March 2025. Another amazing week. The weather's not been so good, but the work has been great as ever. So here we are with our early years and Key Stage 1 and SRB golden ticket winners for this week. We start with Miss Keenan. And this week's golden ticket winner is someone who is always good at listening during carpet time. This child is very creative and they have enjoyed drawing their self-portrait this week. This child enjoys coming to nursery and they are a good role model for others. Well done to Skylar. Oh, I love your spoon, Skylar. That is fantastic. Well done. And also a lovely smile. But well done for all those things that you are doing so well. I'll have to see if I can come down and have a look at your drawing. Let's move on to Miss Batch. This person has been working really hard on their listening and in their phonics. They always play nicely with friends and love exploring outside. This pupil has come along greatly with their communication too. Well done to Darcy Lee. Well done, Darcy Lee. I love that you're coming on with your communication. I know in assembly the other day, you were indicating to me that you were enjoying the singing and you were smiling and thumbs up and giving me all those signals. And you're obviously doing that in class as well. So very well done. Keep it going. Let's move on to Mr. Ackerman. This week's Shark Class Golden Ticket winner has been working hard in phonics and we love how they have grown into school life as the year has gone on. This child has grown in confidence and it has been lovely watching their friendships grow and their enthusiasm to give things a real go increases. This child has also been reading lots at home. This week's Shark Class Golden Ticket winner is Ivy. Well done, Ivy. Obviously impressing Mr. Ackerman with all you are doing. I love the fact you're growing in confidence. We love seeing that from the younger children, that they're just feeling more and more confident in school and growing into being in our school. So that's amazing. Keep it up. Next up, it is Year 1 and Miss Rogers. This week's golden ticket winner has been sitting beautifully on the carpet and is always one of the first to be ready to learn. They have been doing great listening and are putting their hand up a lot more to share ideas. This child has been trying their best to make sure their independent work is the best it can be. Keep up the great work and well done to Destiny. Oh, I love the picture, Destiny, from our dressing up last week for World Book Day. That is brilliant. But I love the way here it says about that you're listening and you're putting your hand up. Okay, that's really good skills for being involved in lessons and getting the most from it. So very well done. Let's move on to Miss Roddick. This week's golden ticket winner impresses us every day. They have a super attitude towards their learning and try their best with every piece of work. They have worked particularly hard on their handwriting to make sure it is beautiful. My handwriting could do with some improvement, actually. They are kind, caring and helpful, not just to their friends, but to staff too. Well done to Elliot. That's brilliant, Elliot. Looks like you've been doing some baking or certainly making stuff, clay, I don't know, but it looks like you're doing something exciting there. And well done. Let's say handwriting. Perhaps I should come and see you and I can get some tips to improve my handwriting, because my class will tell you my handwriting sometimes needs to improve. So well done to you. Let's move on to Mrs. Cook and Mrs. Robertson. We have been so impressed with this child recently. Their attitude to their work continues to improve week by week. They listen well on the carpet and always participate 100%. They have even started reading at home more regularly. Well done to Charlie. Lovely improvement there. I love that you're reading at home as well, because of course the more you read at home, the more learning you get, the more ideas you have for your own writing, and that's really going to make a difference to your writing. And again, love Year 2 every time they have some of their DT work on their photos. Great work. Keep it going. Next to Mrs. Plume. This pupil reads at home at least 5 times a week, every week, and always brings what is needed to be at school. This child has been carefully listening to instructions on how to use kitchen equipment safely. Well done to Oscar. That's brilliant. Lovely spoon, Oscar. And again, look, I can see how you're using that kitchen equipment safely, because I can see you're using a knife really safely there. Well done. Amazing work. Keep that going for the rest of the year. And everyone else, if you're wondering in Year 2, how do I get a golden ticket? Think about what these children are doing. Let's move on to the SRB. The winner this week has made so much progress over the past few weeks. They're writing amazing sentences with next to no help and completing maths tasks just as quickly. They have even been picking up books to read independently. We love how excited they get when showing all that they can do. That sounds wonderful. Who is it? It's Connor. Well done, Connor. Again, dressing up from last week. Brilliant. And lovely time down Forest School, it appears you've been having. You obviously got the good weather. Well done. That's brilliant. Keep up all the amazing things you're doing here. Your independent writing, your great reading, your amazing writing, and just enjoying school. Well, another great week. Well done, everyone. The weather did turn a bit worse as we predicted last week. Hopefully it'll get better next week. And you never know, Mr. Allen might be back next week. Who knows? Let's hope so, because if we've seen him around school, it's been great to have him back. And let's see, he might be able to do this assembly. We'll see. But anyway, have an amazing week. But what can we do at the weekend first? You can show your best manners, read at least 5 times, and help tidy up after you eat. Don't leave your plate on the table. Take it back into the kitchen at home. Think about how you can help your parents at home. Very well done, everyone. We'll see you. Bye-bye now.